Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.4% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 2.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.5% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Nervous global financial markets saw signs of stabilization with major equity bourses and bond yields holding their ground, and the dollar wilting after the highest U.S. inflation reading in nearly 40 years. The North Korean regime had a banner year thanks to skyrocketing cryptocurrency values and a new generation of vulnerable startups. The dollar fell further to two-month lows after U.S. inflation proved weaker than feared in December, prompting investors to cut crowded long positions in the currency.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's consumer price index will be released at 0600 GMT. The UK's industrial production at 0700 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1500 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance will be released at 1000 GMT. The U.S. retail sales at 1330 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.